Yeah, very good morning. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Great. So are we good to go?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, a very good and very brilliant morning to all participants over here. I am thankful for Edurise to provide this opportunity to pitch in front of exclusive mentors, and we look forward to the conversation ahead. My name is Samit Singhai and I am co-founder at True Scholar. True Scholar is India's first verifiable credential management application. It is a revolutionary solution that will help universities and institutes to issue a digital certificate to their students that they can cherish it during their lifetime. We are now on a mission to become Intel Insight of education world by powering all academic credentials over blockchain and making this immutable digital certificates as learners' academic passport. Blockchain itself is a very revolutionary technology that is going to remake the future. It is decentralizing and democratizing innovation in itself. It is estimated that 10% of world GDP would be securely stored on blockchain platform by 2025 itself. So today I am going to tell you a small story about how True Scholar was born. I, being a serial entrepreneur, would be very uncomfortable with most of the situations when I have to fetch my documents, business documents, multiple times. At the same time, the list keeps on increasing with number of compliances and documentations at stake. All this made me worry about, and I was always looking for a probable solution to address so that I can securely process my documents. However, all failed till the time I actually sat in a blockchain technology seminar. And that was a hoorah moment for us, which itself talked about how blockchain technology is one of the most prominent one to solve provenance use cases in a very secured manner. And further, during my diploma studies in blockchain technology, me and my co-founder Mayur started working in solving credential and identity management using self-sovereign identity mechanism backed by blockchain technology, rather than the siloed and fragmented approach the world is currently used to. And that's how True Scholar was born, with a strong conviction to provide a self-secured identity credential wallet to all stakeholders, which can store their credentials and important identity documents securely. We started, sorry, I missed it. So we started, evaluating the problem, and then after detailed market research, we understood the root cause of it, and we believe that the issuance of such credentials is at fault. We begin with one use case and identified that the current process of issuance of academic credentials by institutes, universities, and edtechs is not at all in sync with today's digital world. The process of issuance and the verification both are plagued with numerous issues at the same time, and hence we thought of solving this root cause problem. Looking at during the same stage when I looked, my 5-year-old kid studying in LKG using online learning methods, it clearly became evident to foresee that education and edtech market growing and mushrooming at a very exponential rate. So that helped us to mark out a total addressable market. Today, India in 2020 had 40k institutes with 40 million learners studying in universities and institutes, 10 million learners using online edtech platforms to reskill and upskill themselves, and there are various other markets which we looked up at. We identified the beachhead market as edtech and online education platform, event and webinars, seminars and exhibition to reach out, and we started building our POC with the leading edtech and our homegrown hometown university. Today, we are on a mission to have 500 edtech institutes to our platform, which can issue 1 million certificates in year one. When we see existing solutions and mechanisms, TrueScholar clearly provides a 55% quantifiable gain, across the whole spectrum when you start talk about from onboarding a student to finally issuing a credential to him, which they can cherish for their lifetime using blockchain technology. When we globally benchmark a product with that available in the market, two important principles: one, privacy by design to provide a self-sovereign identity and credential wallet, and the second one, which is exclusive user consent for sharing it on social media or even to verify, even to a third party verifier, are the most two important value propositions which are not at all present in any of the solutions available worldwide. We simply propose a SaaS based B2B revenue model addressing universities and institutes and edtechs based on number of credentials that would be issued, and then thereon providing a shareable verification fees too at a later stage with all the important stakeholders. Journey till date has been exciting. It has been enriching our last 15 years of experience and has been really encouraging till date. We have already launched version 1.0 in last week of May itself. Looking at our go-to-market strategies, we have spent an extensive work on 14 sprints with a third-party developer team. We have spent a lot of resources and time on developing some connections, and today in the last 2 months, we were able to have 1322 connections built in, 105 demos delivered to them, 28 beta users on our platform, and 10 paid users already utilizing TrueScholar credential management application for their institutes. We have also inked a great affiliation with India Blockchain Alliance, which is an NPO, and it is having signed up 17 university MOUs in the month of May itself. We look forward to get all these institutes and universities shortly on board with TrueScholar. We have also kickstarted grooming and forming our internal tech team, sales and marketing. We look forward to Edrise program to help us to connect and onboard various Indian universities and institutes within all their possible network with TrueScholar and experience a self-sovereign credential issuance platform by themselves. I throw open the doors of TrueScholar to all stakeholders with a vision to provide digital identity solutions, say for multiple KYCs, for multiple logins, governance, fintech, and health record use cases by saying goodbye to old paper-based credentials. Let me introduce my co-founder, Mayur Jawar, a very reputed and dynamic chartered accountant from Central India with a keen interest in startup and infrastructure segments. We are also happy to share that we have sound advisors and mentors guiding us since inception. I thank you for your precious time and look forward for a meaningful interaction. I would request Mayur to take up a small demo of 5 minutes and walk you through TrueScholar platform. Thank you. Take on, Mayur.
Can you permit me to share my screen?
Yeah, I have stopped.
Thank you, Sumit. So this is my website, TrueScholar.in. From here, you can just log into this